Graeme, thank you very much for your time today.
No problem at all.
Great to be at this fantastic facility and the machines. We'll talk about that in a little bit.
Yeah, grand.
Tell us a little bit about SolidCAM and how we've got to here.
Well, SolidCAM started 21 years ago now, you know, by Gordon Drysdale and Mark Stocks, who are still within the company and the directors of the company. Just started with the two of them in an office, you know, and it's over the last 21 years it's grown exponentially year by year, and here we are now in our technical centre in Dodworth, near Barnsley, you know, state-of-the-art kit, you know, state-of-the-art CAM
it's
system.
Dodworth, isn't it?
Dodworth,
I'll get this right one day.
Yes.
Sorry.
Dodworth to the people south and the people north. The people in Yorkshire, Dodworth.
Sorry to interrupt you, by the way.
No problem at all.
There you go.
We have to get things right. We have to get things right. So yeah, that's where we are. We're proud of the tech centre. You know, we've invested heavily in the technology. You know, the machine tools. We've invested heavily in the staff to mirror the technology that we do, and to be able to sustain ourselves completely as a company, because SolidCAM is a bit unique within the whole SolidCAM global. SolidCAM UK is an independent, although it's only SolidCAM to sell as a product, as a CAM system, but we are totally independent. We're a one-stop shop, as we like to call it. You know, we write our own posts here. Okay. We do our training here, which we'll pan past in a minute at the training room. All our maintenance and support is done here. All the sales is done from here. All the marketing is done from here. What you see around the facility as well, we tend to make our own, you know, SolidCAM banners.
I was going to say, looks great, and I see a lot of this 70% savings. Tell us a little bit about
that. Ben Miller, who is our chief programmer, and very, very good, very adaptable at his job, and he makes all this sort of stuff as well. Takes a lot of pride within the company. You can see up there as well. Yes, we can. He came in on a Sunday and did that, so he's a bit of a superstar.
Great,
you know. And,
so about the actual 70% savings and more, and we're talking about the time cycle savings through the software, and you know, so we can see
it's a very, very powerful CAM system. iMachining is a patented product by SolidCAM. It's you'll hear the word trochoidal milling getting it, and you know, as a process, is a very, very good piece of machining process. iMachining takes it one step further. You know, it's a constant chip thickness. It constantly runs at the chip thickness, which it's about a threefold. You get a quicker cycle time, you get a tool saving as well, you get a smoother product, and you get less damage to the machine tool itself as well. So the end result
high
is
efficiency,
a better program.
better metal removal rates.
We're looking for optimum all the time. And iMachining, and it's not a gimmick when you see 70%.
Yeah, it's
you
reality.
can get a 70% saving.
And I can see you got, you know, obviously a lot of training, people involved,
this
people
is a training
on
facility.
ready for action, helping the customers. And
that's it. You know, the customers come here. We prefer them to come here. It takes them out of the environment. You know, because if they're we do training on site, but invariably somebody pops their head in the door and says, "We need you for 5 minutes." Disrupts the training. So we do stress to people to come here. This facility here can take 6 people at a time. You know, doesn't necessarily have to be from the same company. You know, so we've invested in that. You know, it's constantly getting upgraded. You know, to accommodate the constant upgrading the software, and we're constantly training on the.
And I've come across this machine, very nice machine, Mazak CV5-500 multi-axis.
One of the latest 5-axis machines. The lovely thing about this machine tool as well, Mazak, it's completely built in the UK. You know, down in Worcester. They take great pride in that. They build other machine tools down there, but this is solely built in the UK. So it's nice to fly the flag, and obviously have SolidCAM UK driving the product.
So this allows you to maybe take customer components or training, or
we do that. It's better if they have the CAM system already, but we can do turnkey projects. Like if somebody gives us a part and says, "Prove that it works," you know, we'll go in the machine the part, hand it to them, or machine, you know, an aspect of the part. You know, it might not be the whole component, but you know, they're having difficulty with that part, and we say,
like that.
we'll machine that and show you. You know, whether it's iMachining, whether it's simultaneous 5-axis machining, barrel milling, you know, we involve that in it as well, which is a fantastic technology.
And great to see that you're thinking of the sustainability angle, and you've got the Coolant Saver.
Again, sustainability.
Yep.
Wogaard. This is an excellent product. This is a product. Right, and if I lift this up, if I'm allowed to.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, it's pretty hard.
You have this filtration system here.
Yep.
And folk look at it and say, is that it? Well, pretty much so, that's it. There's no electricity on this.
No, it's the actual Ventura, as it says, by the pump, and that actually powers the unit to allow the coolant or your fresh coolant to go straight back up in the machine.
We switched this on this morning, and you were looking at it yourself, and you're looking in there, and the swarf looks quite dry. And actually, it came up the tube, probably 5 to 6 inches. Old layman terms there, I'm going back into Imperial.
That's why I like speaking that way.
150 mil.
Yeah, and that's a fair amount if you think about it. I mean, the swarf is only half full, so you imagine, I know you're not production because it's parts, special parts, but imagine if you filled that bin up every day or every shift, you're talking 20, 30 litres.
Take it outside and try and tip it out. You know, and the coolant's pouring out, and then again, it's environment getting affected. You know, you want to sustain the environment, you want to keep your carbon footprint. Coolant lying a bit over the place, it's a horrible.
I think, I think that's great what you're showing here, because you've got a lot of technical partners also here as well. So you're not just showing, you want to shout about your software, but you've got other leading edge products. And
we've got Star, who are world leaders in sliding head technology. You know, on the tooling side, we have ISCA, we have Ceratizit, you know, we've got Shunk, Work Holding. You know, we've now got yourselves, which is absolutely excellent. Wogaard. But this is the
Star as well. No, obviously, we supply the oil saver for the Star.
You supply oil savers for the Star as well,
which is great.
We like to think ourselves as well. I'll say we know ourselves as the world leaders in sliding head technology, multi-axis, multi-channel synchronization. The investment that SolidCAM have put in to this part of the system is absolutely phenomenal. You know, it's a very, very complex machine.
Yeah, it looks it.
You'd rather see collision damage on the screen when you look at the simulation than listen to this thing bang, because there's a lot of money in that. Like, so that's where people come to us. And
but also with this, you've got lots of events coming up as well. So I'm really excited to be part of that as well coming up. So
well,
with your partners as well.
We have one on the 25th of April this year. We're looking to try and run one every 2 months to show off SolidCAM, to show off, you know, the tech centre, you know, like I said to you before, we're very proud of it. We're very proud to have you as part of
Thank you very much.
Part of it now, you know, and when this one goes out, another one comes in, we'll get you back in and install another system.
Fantastic.
So it'll be great.
Well, it's great to be here today, Graeme. Thank you very much, and look forward to the events. And obviously all these events are available online and to register.
Just click on, there's loads already on YouTube. This event will be on live as well. You'll see live cutting, you know, on the day, or you can watch it back again. So come along and take in SolidCAM. We'd love to have you here.
Thank you very much, Graeme. Cheers, thank you.